Hello friends, this is Ghost from Pak-Turk blogger channel. So today's video I am going to show you the fastest and easiest way to obtain Turkish electronic visa online to enter in Turkey. And also I will cover up in this video if you are from Pakistan, then you need to apply visa through embassy or Jari's office. So friends, from 2nd March 2024 British nationals will no longer need a visa for travel to Turkey. This decision was made to increase tourism and revenue in the country after revealed US 45 million foreigner visitors traveled there in 2019. Turkey has decided to exempt visa requirements for a number of European Union Schengen area such as Austria, Belgium, Netherlands, Spain, Poland, as well as the United Kingdom. So, friends, there are so many peoples out there with this kind of questions where I can get the Turkish visa and how much does it cost and how long does it take. They keep asking this kind of question. So I decided let me make a video and I will show you guys how you can apply via online. First of all, we will go to the official website evisa.gov.tr as I am already there. So friends, if you go to the agent, then definitely he or she gonna charge you some extra money. So I'm pretty sure you don't want to waste your money by going to agents. You can easily apply this electronic e-visa by sitting at your home. There are some general information given here, FAQ, which can be beneficial for you if you are applying for electronic visa. So from here you can see what is an e-visa, what do I need for my e-visa application. You can read all of these questions, and if you have any doubts, this question and answer area will definitely gonna remove all of your doubts and questions. So friends, this area who is eligible for e-visa, once you click here as you can see we have all these countries listed here. We can see these countries, they can do the process quickly and easily through this electronic e-visa platform. So friends, these countries: Canada, China, Fiji, Ghana, Kenya. There is also Pakistan too. But for Pakistan, only the citizens who have the Schengen visa or Schengen residence permit, only those peoples can apply for this electronic visa. Other ordinary passport holder must apply through an embassy or Jari's office. You can also check the price list from this website. So let's check the price list. Mostly it depends on your passport. As they have written, e-visa varies according to country of travel document and type of travel document. If you are from Schengen area, I think that gonna cost you $20-30. If you are from Pakistan, maybe then $50-60. So let's check it guys. From here let's go back, and from here first thing you will do, you will apply, you will click on apply now, and then you need to select your country. As I am from Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan. Ordinary passport, identity card, I have ordinary passport. Security verification, let's type it here. Then you need to save and continue. 30 days, mostly they are giving 30 days e-visa, and the number of entry, single entry. Yes, as I told you, it was 50 $60, so it is $60. So after that, you need to click on save and continue. Here are some information you need to click on that. I am traveling for tourism business. I can prove I hold. You must have your return ticket, hotel reservation, and per day $50. You need to show them when you are applying for this e-visa. I have valid supporting documents, as you can see here. If you have a residence permit or Schengen countries, UK, USA, Ireland, only that time you can apply for this e-visa. E-visa are not accepted as supporting documents. So you need to click on here. My passport covers the period that I am staying in Turkey. You need to click here. I confirm that I meet each and every one of condition listed above. Okay, once you confirm, then you need to click save and continue. And here you need to give your information, passport number, date of expiry, and everything. Once you click save, and if you also, if you want to add a new person, if you want to go with your wife or your relatives, then you can add new persons here. After that, you need to apply on save and continue, as I didn't fill it. And after that, you will just pay the fee, upload the supporting documents, and that's it. Within 2 3 days, they will send your e-visa in your email. So friends, this is how you can apply for e-visa. It's very easy. You don't need to go to any agents. You can apply by your own. So friends, one more thing I would like to show you. For the ordinary Pakistani passport holders, they have to apply through embassy or Jari's office. So here I will show, if you don't want to go to the embassy, then you have to apply through Jari's office. So let's go to our Jari's office. Here, as you can see, in Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Faisalabad, Gujranwala, Hyderabad, Multan, Peshawar, Quetta, Sialkot, Sukhar. If you are staying in these cities, then you can apply through Jari's office. So friends, here what you need to apply for visa. First, you need to check your visa application, which visa you want: tourist, single, double, business, conference, sportive activity. Once you select this, for example, let me select touristic visa, and here this document came. You need to fill your visa application form. Once you click here, you will go directly to this website, and from this website, you will fill this: nationality Pakistan, travel document, ordinary passport, passport number you need to type of visa, tourist. You can select a category from here. Purpose of trip: touristic visit. Number of entries: single or multiple, you can click it here. Country: Pakistan. Mission: Turkish embassy in Islamabad or Turkish consulate general in Karachi. You can choose either this if you are applying in Islamabad embassy or in Karachi. So after that, you need to save and proceed. So let's back to our website. So work visa or other visas. So here is the process online. Uh, you need to fill online application form, which I just showed you. After that, you need to attach this application form along with your application. So here they have written some requirement for individual application. Personal appearance is must. Here you can find the visa fees. For single entry is 9,000, multiple entry 36,000. Here they have given the prices in US dollars. Here you can see the where you can drop your application. Visa categories and requirement, please click here. and here they gave the processing time. They are taking at least 15 working days from the date of submission of application, but in most of the cases they will give you within 10 to 12 days. They will give you the decision. So that's it from this video, friends. In my next video I will show you how you can apply your residence permit, and if you are staying here for more than 5 years, how you can apply citizenship. And if you are an investor, then I will also give you information about how you can invest here and apply for citizenship. If you are an investor, then within 2 3 years you can obtain your nationality. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video.